Trying to send a specific song or pre-recorded audio file in an Instagram DM, but realize there's no upload button? It's incredibly frustrating. You've probably seen the microphone icon, but that only lets you record your voice live. It doesn't help you if you have an MP3 or a file saved on your phone that you need to share right now. Today I'm going to show you the fastest workaround to send any audio file on Instagram using your iPhone. And stay tuned because there's one specific setting you have to change, otherwise the person you sent it to wouldn't be able to open it. Let's jump in. Since Instagram doesn't let us upload audio directly from the gallery, we need a bridge. The best one is Google Drive. Open up the Google Drive app on your phone. We need to grab your audio file in here first. Tap the plus icon on the bottom corner. Select upload, and I'll tap on browse. This will take you to your phone's file manager or downloads folder. Find that song or audio clip you want to share. I'll grab this file right here and tap it to upload. Okay, the file is in the drive. Now here's the tricky part where most people mess up. Find your file, tap the three dots next to it, and select share. Do not just copy the link yet. By default, Google sets this to restricted, meaning even if you send the link, your friend can't hear it. Tap on Manage Access or the lock icon and change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. Now that it's public, tap the link icon at the top right to copy to your clipboard. Head back into your Instagram DM. Paste the link into the chat and hit send. When your friend taps that link, it takes them straight to the player, and they can listen to the high quality audio file immediately. Ever wonder how to recover a permanently deleted Instagram account? Check out this video now.